doing? Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like doing my second part of my Not Another Crap kit from Jackie, NerdEcrafter. Okay, so this is where we left it. He's all done, he's all tidy, he's all as good as I can get him at the minute. Took his eyebrows off because I really didn't like them. So, yeah, we're going to start. I'm just going to do a lot of this. I'm not going to go into how I do it or anything else like that. I'm going to do as much of it as quite quickly as I can, because otherwise this is going to be a really long video and I really don't want to do a part 3. So yeah, enjoy watching along. I'm going to do my best to speed this up. If not, I'm going to do it in like short bursts, and then another short burst, and then another short burst. We'll see how it goes. All depending on my editing skills and how my machine copes, because it's not coping very well at the minute. It's quite an old machine. Okay, here we go. Let's enjoy. Okay, so I've managed to cover all his head. He's still got a few lumps and bumps which I'm straightening out, but you're not going to see the back too much because I've got other things to add to it, so I'm not too panicked on that. I'm just smoothing everything down as much as I can. This clay is so nice to use. Once you've softened it up, it takes a little bit to soften it up. Once you've softened it up, it is so nice to use. I love it. I wish this had been available when I was doing clay pieces before. Not that I've ever done sculptures, but I used to do little jewellery pieces and things. It would have been so much easier to use. But yeah, this is so nice, and it's so easy just to smooth out. But you have got to do an awful lot of smoothing. Yeah, smoothing is the difference between looking like somebody who knows what they're doing has done it, and somebody, you know, looking like a 5-year-old's done it. It's all in the smoothing. So yeah, just take your time. Make sure you smooth it out properly as much as you can. And I'm about to add all the facial features to it now. So I've done about as much as I can with the smoothing. I'm going to finish that off once I've added everything to it, but that's, yeah, it's about as good as it's going to get for now. And then I'll go over it. Jackie shows a tip of using a cotton bud and some alcohol liquid, so I might have a go at doing that once I've finished the piece before I put it in the oven. Okay, yeah, he's looking okay. On to the next bit. I'll be back once I've done his face. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so here I am with his face. I've still got a lot of smoothing down to it. I'm getting the shape. Not 100% happy with his mouth, but I've got some bits and pieces to attach to that anyway. I'm just waiting for his second eye to dry that I've redone. And yeah, we're getting there. I think I'm going to do his face. And I'll do... Shush a minute, Magnus. It's just my support dog, bless him, telling me I've done enough. So I want to get his eyes finished and the rest of his mouth done. And then just make some etching for his hair. And then I think at that stage I'm going to bake him before I start adding any more pieces. Because, yeah, I've already had a complete disaster where I attached his nose and I wasn't happy, so I took it off and took half of the face off with it. So, yeah, as you see, lots of patching. But, like I say, I've still got quite a bit of smoothing to do, and hopefully his eyes will cover most of that anyway. So, we'll see. We'll see. Back in a minute. Okay, so I'm at this point right now. I've done the eyes. I've done a little bit of texturing on the hair. Shush, Magnus! And as you can hear, Magnus is really complaining at me. So I'm going to take a break and I'm going to come back to this. Hopefully at the point where I can start baking it. Okay, see you later. Okay, so this is as far as I've got. Can you tell what he is yet? I've got some more embellishments to put on him. I've actually baked him now, so this is all solid. Maybe I should have done a bit more smoothing, but I think that's as good as he's going to get. Yeah, I have still got to make some embellishments. I've got to fit his thingy on, and this is now yeah, his eyes further away, so I actually need to make a slightly bigger one. So I will do that. Yeah, I'll finish. I think the next time you see him is when all the baking's done and we're starting the painting. So hopefully you'll be able to see what he is by then. Okay, see you back in a bit. Well, here we are. All the baking is done. He's not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but he's close enough. I think we're getting the idea of who he is. I've still got to add some little teeth to his mouth, but I'm going to do that with the epoxy sculpt. I'm going to get on with painting now, so we'll see how it goes. Be back in a bit. Yeah. Well, this is what I've managed to do so far. I think I'm going to leave that magenta to dry, and I'll be doing a second coat on that. What do you think so far? Can you see who he's going to be? Like I say, he's not perfect, but I love him. He's so cute. Oh dear. Okay, see you in a bit. Hiya! Well, he's done. And I hope you can tell what he is. Today, Sesame Street is brought to you by the number 2. Shush, Magnus. He was so much fun to make. Is he perfect? No. Is there more touch-up I could have done? Absolutely. Did I have fun making him? Oh, a whole heap. Did I learn loads of new techniques that I can use in the future? Yep. Was the box worth it? 100%. I love it. I hope you like my finished count. Is he a bit more pink than purple? Yeah. But hey, my very first full sculpture. And I love him! Yeah, I had to redo his monocle look. That's the one I did earlier. a bit too small. So I redid it. And I used the armature wire. Why I didn't use that in the first place, I don't know. But yeah, I love him. He's so cute. And I had loads of fun making him. And yeah. Like I say, he's not perfect by any stretch of the imagination. What did I do? Let's have a look. All of this is the clay. I did use the 2-part epoxy clay for his little fangs. But everything else is the clay. And that clay, once you've got it warmed up, just take a bit to warm it up, but once you've got it warmed up, yeah, it's brilliant. You can smooth it down lovely. My hands just got so tired from it all though. He's not as perfect as I wanted him to be, but I think I've gone from maybe not a 5-year-old but a 10-year-old has made this, so yeah, I'm pleased. I didn't want it to look like a 5-year-old had made it, so yeah, 5-year-old probably could do it as well, but you know, I think it's more edging on the 10-year-old. But anyway, I loved making him. He's going to sit pride of place on my shelf. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the process. Thanks for watching and subscribe if you liked it. And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.